Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for playgroup. In this lesson, students are introduced to the number 1. By the end of this video, students will be able to recognize the number 1, understand the quantity of 1 through counting various objects. Assalamu alaikum Ali.
Wa alaikum assalam.
How are you Ali?
Fine.
Very good. Today I am going to teach you number 1. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Yes, Ali, this is Allah. Allah is the only one creator of the world. Allah is the only one creator. Allah created me. Allah created you. Allah created the whole world. Okay. Who created us? Who?
Allah.
Allah. Very good. Yes, you know Ali, Allah created one sun.
One sun. One
Allah
moon,
created.
one moon.
Allah created one sky.
One sky.
Allah created one earth.
One earth.
Good. You know, Allah created 7 earths and 7 skies, but we are going to discuss here one. So I am going to tell you one sky and one earth. I have told you one sky and one earth. Okay. Yes, Allah created the night, Allah created the day, and Allah created the whole universe. Very good, Ali. Now let's see the next page. Yes, look at this picture. This is the big jungle. Okay, this is a big jungle. And look at all these animals. Ali, can you name them? Tell me the names of these animals. Hurry up, tell me.
Cheetah.
Good.
Elephant. Zebra. Monkey. Lion. Giraffe. Bear.
Good. Now tell me how many cheetahs?
One cheetah.
How many elephants?
One elephant.
How many zebras?
One zebra.
How many monkeys?
One monkey.
How many lions?
One lion.
How many giraffes?
One giraffe.
How many bears?
One bear.
Well done, Ali. Comes to next page. Yeah, all they are animals. They are doing something. Look at this dog. This dog is moving. This lion is roaring and eating meat. This dog is moving its tail and head. And look at this man. This man is walking. Yes, Ali, tell me. How many ducks?
One duck.
How many lions?
One lion.
How many dogs?
One dog.
How many men?
One man.
Good. Ali, do you know, have you ever seen the number 1 before?
No.
No, don't worry. I will show you. Today I am going to show you. Yes, next page and next picture. You can see the number 1. Yes, this is number 1. 1. This is?
One.
This is?
One.
Yes, now you learn how to write 1. Okay? Yeah, this pencil is going down. This pencil is going down, top to bottom. When we are going to write 1, we always write 1 from top to bottom. From
Top to bottom.
very good. We write 1 from top to bottom. Look at this pencil. He is moving down. He is moving down.
Down.
Yes. We always write. Look at again Ali here. How will we write 1? We will write 1 from top to
Bottom.
Look at this pencil again. Please see here again. Yeah, see the pencil is going down. Top to
Bottom.
top to
Bottom.
very good. Yes. Can you recognize it? Can you recognize it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
One.
1. Very good. Yes, 1 apple,
One apple.
1 mango,
One mango.
1 orange,
One orange.
1 banana.
One banana.
Very good, Ali. Yes, look at this picture. The one is moving up and down. The One is moving up and down. Okay, yeah, this is another one. He is, it is moving. The one is moving, it is moving, and it is dancing. Okay. Jazakallah Ali. I think you have learned the number one today. Okay, you have learned number one. Yes, another activity. Yes, Ali, in this picture, you have to search one. Where are the ones? Can you tell me? Is it one?
No.
Is it one?
No.
Is it one?
Yes.
Is it one?
Yes.
Is it one?
No.
Is it one?
Yes.
Is it one?
No.
Is it one?
Yes.
Is it one?
No.
Is it one?
No.
Is it one?
Yes.
Is it one?
No.
Is it one?
Yes.
Okay, good. You have recognized all the ones. Well done, job, Ali. Well done. Yes. Now, activities for parents. Listen to me. Number one, ask the child to point to different objects at home of which there is only one. Ask him or her to say the number and the name of the object he or she has pointed to. For example, he or she should be able to say one fan or one clock. आप बच्चों को डिफरेंट किस्म की चीज़ें दे सकते हैं, उनको दिखा सकते हैं, इशारा की मदद से वो बता सकते हैं, लेकिन वो क्वांटिटी में एक होनी चाहिए. आप उनके सामने स्ट्रक्चर ये बोलें, हाउ मैनी फैंस, हाउ मैनी क्लॉक्स, हाउ मैनी ट्रीज, हाउ मैनी स्पून्स, हाउ मैनी फॉक्स, लाइक दिस. और वो आंसर में आपको वन भी बोलेंगे और ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम भी बताएंगे. For recognition of one, ask the child to find out one in any number book, month calendar, etc. आप किसी भी बुक से, नंबर बुक हो, आपके पास कोई कैलेंडर मौजूद हो, ऐसी जगह से कोई पेज दिखाएं बच्चे को जिसमें वन बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट जगहों पे लिखे हुए हों और बच्चे को कहें कि वन रिकग्नाइज करें. इस तरह उसको रिकग्निशन आएगी वन की. Ask the child to make one in the air from top to bottom direction. आप बच्चे से कहें कि वो एयर में वन को बनाएं टॉप से बॉटम की तरफ जाते हुए. जो डायरेक्शन होगा वो टॉप से बॉटम की तरफ होगा. द चाइल्ड कैन मेक वन एट द डिफरेंट सर्फेसेस. मुख्तलिफ जगहों पे, मुख्तलिफ सरफेस पे बच्चा बना सकता है. टेबल पे बनवा लें, बुक पे बना लें, कबर्ड पे बनवा लें उससे. मेक श्योर दैट द चाइल्ड फॉलोज द करेक्ट डायरेक्शन टॉप टू बॉटम. ये बात का ख्याल रखना है आपने कि बच्चा जब वन मेक करेगा तो टॉप से बॉटम की तरफ जाएगा. ठीक है, इन बातों का ख्याल रखें. राइटिंग वर्क अभी ना कराएं क्योंकि प्ले ग्रुप का स्टेज है, उसमें राइटिंग की पेंसिल से आपने नहीं कराना. बस उनको डायरेक्शन उनके ब्रेन में और उनके माइंड में सेट हो जाना चाहिए कि जब वन लिखा जाता है तो उसे टॉप से बॉटम की तरफ लिखा जाता है. डायरेक्शन की प्रैक्टिस आप करवा सकते हैं विदाउट यूजिंग पेंसिल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. जज़ाकल्लाह. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.